Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah walhamdulillah. As you can see, I am Walillah al-Hamd in Qatar. It's your support and your trust in us that moved Jannah Institute to where we are. And by His grace, I was invited to give talks on the side of the World Cup. Inshallah, it's going to be for public this coming Sunday. Your support, your dua, your trust in us, in teaching, is greatly appreciated and absolutely rewarded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Though we still need your support, our supporters have always made us used to your unlimited, unparalleled support. Keep supporting us. We are trying to get our goal in the Giving Tuesday, and we will really appreciate. Jazakumullahu khairan. We'll keep you posted on the programs in Doha.